At first glance, Fxcm.com might appear to be a legitimate, long-standing broker, but don't let the regulated label fool you. While Fxcm is a known name in the retail trading world, its track record is far from clean. In this review, we're diving into the darker side of a broker that many mistakenly trust. Instead of starting with regulation or licenses, let's begin with client complaints because that's where the story really unfolds. Across forums and independent review platforms, real traders have shared one common theme: unexplained slippage, unexecuted stop losses, and abnormal spreads during volatile market hours. These aren't isolated technical glitches. They suggest something more structural. But where it gets worse is how Fxcm has handled client funds in the past. In 2017, the CFTC permanently banned Fxcm from operating in the U.S. for fraud. Why? Because they were caught lying to clients. Instead of sending orders to a real market, Fxcm was secretly routing trades through a market maker they themselves controlled, profiting from client losses. That's a conflict of interest of the highest level. Even though they were fined $7 million and forced to leave the U.S. market, Fxcm continues to operate under the same brand name internationally. That legacy of deceit doesn't just vanish with geography. Another issue traders have raised is platform manipulation. Reports of artificial price spikes, where users get stopped out with no corresponding market data, are becoming more common. If it's not happening to every client, it's likely targeting smaller accounts. The classic retail churn game: let clients lose, then blame market volatility. And what about withdrawals? Though Fxcm doesn't outright block them, delays of 510 days are often reported. Combine that with their overly aggressive account managers pushing higher leverage and frequent trading, and the picture becomes clearer. Despite marketing itself as a global trusted brand, Fxcm's past and present behavior signals high caution. Their ongoing reputation damage control may be effective for beginners, but for seasoned traders, the red flags are all too obvious.